Pressure altitude 4,000 feet, would we agree it's gonna be somewhere along this line? Temperature 29, manifold pressure 21.3, calm, yeah, it's wind calm. Would we agree that it's this sets of numbers here? 500 miles divided by our, the wind is calm, so our true airspeed is gonna be the same as our ground speed. There's no drift. So 500 divided by, which of these numbers, 159 or 183? 159 because we're doing it in knots. Nautical miles will measure speed. And you're gonna get what, 3.14?
Yes.
Do you think I did that math in my head? Do you think I've seen this question before? So the flight's gonna take 3.14 hours. How much fuel are we burning? We're burning fuel at 11.5 gallons per hour. So 3.14 times